this is a sure enough drift gone bad. So apparently it hit this side and then came around.
It's wrecked. Stuff everywhere, huh?
Dude, what is that? That's freaking pot.
Maybe.
Yeah, they were going fast when this hit. Sticky. My God. God dang.
It's wrecked. Stuff everywhere, huh?
Dude, what is that? That's freaking pot.
Maybe.
Oh yeah, there's what's left of the.
Somebody burning something.
Yeah, they burning something.
They drifting and burning.
There's seeds and freaking weed everywhere. Oh, dude, look. They didn't even get a chance to use their visor.
Yeah. Laid into something, huh?
Holy crap.
No. Hey, a little too much of that, maybe. Huh?
Yeah, rolling a blunt and trying to drift. They don't mix.
And a supercharger.
Yeah, and 700 horsepower. There she goes. Telling you, you don't ever know what you gonna find.
Hey, you ain't gotta be too gentle, huh?
Nah. She's already been yeah.
Saw's all blades, huh?
Yeah. Just cut the whole front off this thing. At least the intercooler's alright.
Yeah, it looks alright.
Condenser's done. Frame horn saved it.
There's that hole in the oil pan.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah,
hopefully that's not from a rod.
Yeah. Oh, that was,
Oh man,
you don't throw a rod and then wreck it.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Unless it spills oil and the tires start spinning in it.
Oh, coming.
It's a resonator delete. You know that suitcase thing's usually there.
Some mufflers there.
A Corsa. The tip said Corsa. I don't mean nothing though.
Yeah, I see something up here. What's it say? Oh, it's just a sticker. Right going. It looked nice, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, well, it whole hair. If you say how that gorilla stuff ain't no good shit.
Is it gonna start out?
Get it out.
It's got a slight boost leak, but
That's horrible. I'm like, where in the
I
world?
don't know, dude. I think that side's crunched too pretty good.
That kind of food anyway.
It's got oil in it anyway.
Yeah, it ain't.
I guess we'll know in a minute.
Sounds good. There you go.
That's freaking great. Alright, I guess we need to put it in your car now. Well, we gotta get it out first, but yeah.
Look at there, huh?
Oh,
Fire right up.
it's a drip car.
Like not even having, huh? Clear now.
Yeah.
Transmission oil. The whole thing on there.
Ready for it?
Thirsty?
Here you go, Ed.
She pretty well stripped.
Unless you see the
Hey, Alex, I found you another one.
peeing all around it, you get the store then.
Here you go, Alex.
No.
There's you another one. How many roaches did you find in here? How many roaches did you find in here?
They up under the seat. You move the seat forward, all on that past the seat.
Good Lord. There's another one. And I got their Buc-ee's mask. Jeez Louise. I'm telling y'all, you never know what you're gonna find. Oh, is that the anti blunt smoke smell?
Executive perfume. Platinum. This is platinum edition.
Look, all right. What's this one now?
Them are just samples.
Is this like?
Yeah, let's get rid of the don't smell.
Yeah, I think it is chronic killer.
Alex, we found some more cologne back here. Yeah.
Chronic killer.
Yeah, we'll give
Here you go, bro.
Here, we'll give him the Visine.
All the
and
time you
weed.
smoking your tweeds
Yeah.
and driving your car.
Here.
I don't do that.
Right, there you go. There's a roach for you.
I wouldn't put my lips on that.
Hey, brain tag. Well, I guess it's time to say goodbye to the S550.
Say goodbye to what?
Say goodbye to the S550. That's about all that's left. Well, the engine and trans. Not a bad day. All right, guys. So here's the thing. I will keep you updated on plans for this. P.S. You're gonna enjoy it. Oh, there's a leaf. But yeah, guys. How to strip a pothead's wrecked S-Drift S550 in about 2 hours. That was a good time. Dude, we could do that every day, right?
Yeah, we did
I mean,
that.
seriously.
That was a lot of fun.
And we had ribs, too.
Yeah.
Hold on. I didn't even show the ribs.
Oh, they're gone.
Nardin ate the rest of them.
They're gone.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, they're gone.
Yeah.
They're out of here.
Yo, we tore it up today. Good times. So, yeah, there you go. We won't tell who's getting the Pro Charger and the...
We already found somebody to get it.
Yeah, we found somebody. But guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.